Hey everyone, welcome to this week's market update. Some of the top suburbs for the future performance in Brisbane have been revealed. So new research shows that COVID-19 is shifting the landscape of both the rental and the sales markets, which is really exciting, if you can say that about COVID. PRD researchers looked at property trends, investment potential, affordability, project development, livability factors to basically generate this list. So when it comes to houses on the north side, there was three that were sort of the top of the tree. There was Griffin, Everton Park and Virginia. Griffin obviously has a lower median sale price at around 465. Everton Park's around 615,000 and Virginia's around 625,000. So that just gives you a bit of a mix as to what they're basing that on. In terms of unit locations, the Geebung, Arana Hills and Daisy Hill. So obviously Daisy Hill being on the other side of town and Arana and Geebung being on the north side. So Geebung had about an average purchase price of about 392,000, and then we had Arana Hills that was about 395,000, and Daisy Hill that was at about 411,000. So all pretty affordable when it comes to median sale prices there. We are seeing like a real driver in popularity in a lot of the suburbs on the north side. We're obviously based in Aspley and surrounding suburbs. We're definitely seeing a lot of people pushing into Zilmia and getting some really great prices there. We think in general it's just because the stock's at a really low level. So because we don't have the amount of stock that's needed, I think people are spreading across the north side and they're really just going after bang for their buck, and they're also going for the house that ticks the boxes. And probably a lot of the factors that they did in the research would be what they're basing those decisions around. What we're seeing based on a recent research study that was done in Brisbane, it seems to be continue to be the haven for first home buyers, with about 45% available for under 500,000 across the city, which is really affordable. In comparison to only like 5% of Melbourne is available under 500,000 and 0% of Sydney is available under 500,000, Brisbane is the place to be. So obviously based on the low stock levels that we're seeing everywhere in Brisbane at the moment, especially on the north side, the buyers are coming out in droves and really responding well when stock does come to market. And obviously we're still maintaining and seeing great prices there. They are a little bit frustrated because of the lack of stock and they want to get into a home, which is understandable. We definitely would say that in this area, anything under 500,000 is 100% the most popular and is the broadest part of the market for us, definitely on a local level. However, in saying that, anything across a lot of different price brackets is very popular at the moment. It's just that the majority of the buyers are probably in that sub 500 and probably 500 to 600 is the next bracket up that we're seeing a ton of buyers in at the moment.